Competition whose purpose is simply to compete, to defeat others, never brings many benefits. There is happiness in work. No happiness is the exception. We have already done something. Do not find the problem, find the fix. Even a mistake can turn out to be important too, a valuable achievement. The failure simply can be interpreted as an opportunity to restart in a smarter way. If money is a hope for your freedom, you will not have it. The real thing that will secure a person in life is the readiness of knowledge, experience, and ability. I have observed that most people advance when others waste their time. Thinking is the hardest job, because that's the very few people who want to use their brains. When all looks against you, remember that airplanes are always flying against the wind instead of following the wind. There are 3 things that grow more valuable than age, that is old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to have fun. There is pleasure in working. There is no happiness except the realization that we have accomplished something. There is no hope that is really difficult, if you divide it into small jobs. If everyone progresses together, success will come by itself. If we fear failure, that means we have limited our ability. Anyone who stops studying, he is old, no matter he is 20 years or 80 years old. Anyone who keeps learning, he is young. The greatest thing in life is keeping your soul young.